Handa, croeso I bawb. This is a very historic day for us, and the launch of this Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales. We are very proud of our history and the successes of our legacy organisations. YMCA was founded way back in 1844 by George Williams. Within 6 years, it had spread around the world. And many, many years later, YMCA Community College was established in Wales in April 2004. In 1903, Albert Mansridge launched the first branch of the Workers' Educational Association. And by 1906 to 1907, the first WA branches were being set up in Wales, with early secretaries being John Thomas and John Davis. Coleg Harlech was established in 1927. And then we had mergers between Harlech and WA North, then that organisation with WA South to form WA Cymru, and then last WA Cymru and YMCA Community College in August, 1st of August 2015. I hope that will be the last of the mergers, but you can never tell at the moment. After much democratic discussion and debate, we've agreed a new name and new governance arrangements, and we're very proud today to launch this new name. So what's important about a name? Try telling that to Harry Webb, Thomas Woodward, Richard Jenkins, Priscilla White, Francis Gum, who you all know better as Cliff Richard, Tom Jones, Richard Burton, Cilla Black and Judy Garland. Names are important. We believe our name says what it does on the tin. We provide learning for adults in communities in Wales, wherever they are and whatever their background. And as I pointed out to our AGM last year, we are a unique organisation. We are not an FE college, but we are part of the FE sector. Our financial health and quality are judged in the same way as an FE college. We're not legally a voluntary body, but we are part of the voluntary sector and share many of the values of bodies which focus on supporting communities. We are not a training provider, but we contribute towards promoting the skills agenda in Wales. We are not a university, but we help learners progress to the highest levels. We are not a housing or health body, but we can give tenants a voice and patients the confidence to contribute towards their good health. We are not part, I will stop eventually, we're not part of the justice system, but we can help young people at risk and adults to re-establish themselves in their local communities. We are not part of the social services, but we provide dedicated support, advice and guidance. We are not a trade union, but we share many of their democratic traditions. Our democratic tradition is important to us. Our branches, our regions, learner groups and our partners have a key role to play in setting our future direction. And we have a long history of establishing local and regional partnerships, working with local education authorities, further education colleges and universities, and at national level with Wales, TUC, Cymru, community housing, Play Wales, and youth services across the nation. And as Catherine has said, our focus is on disadvantaged adults who may not have been successful in their formal education and have often been failed by the system. We deliver a wide range of adult learning programmes, English for speakers of other languages, provision for adults to participate in their communities, Welsh medium adult learning, including bilingual customer care and language and cultural awareness. Promoting the Welsh language is crucial to us as an organisation. We provide a second chance for parents to learn and support for adults to progress to further higher education. Last year we welcomed the Welsh Government's review of adult and community learning. By the Welsh Government, we set out a more coordinated and systematic approach to adult community learning. Is he here yet? So I'm going to make some remarks in a minute. But, and we look forward to participating in that review, Minister. We know that the demand and need for adult learning will continue to increase as our population grows. And this is a point I specifically want to make to the Minister. I read out our most recent AGM the priorities letter which Kirsty Williams sends out every year to the FE sector. And this is what she said as part of it. Narrowing the attainment gap between learners from our most deprived communities and those from more prosperous areas is core. I would like all efforts to be made to help raise standards and address this enduring injustice. If we are to meet the aim of tackling poverty in our society, the FE sector, of which we are part, should endeavour to target adult community learning provision, provide learning opportunities which help people enter and sustain employment, widen adult participation and increase the number of adults drawn from disadvantaged backgrounds, helping to build their confidence and capacity no matter who they are or where they live. A lot of words there, but what Kirsty Williams was doing there was describing our core mission, our raison d'etre. This is exactly what we do as an organisation. The learner is at the centre of everything we do. Our vision is to be the leading provider of adult community learning and workplace learning in a bilingual Wales, with a strong strategic role within adult community learning. If we could pinch an advertising slogan, it would be to say our vision is that we reach the parts others can't reach. In looking forward to our exciting future, I'd like to thank previous servants of both organisations. Margaret Jones, who set up and successfully ran YMCA Community College, Wales, she is greatly missed. Mark Isherwood took over for Margaret and led the college through merger and was the first chief executive of the merged organisation. Maggie Dawson, and before her, Graham Price, who I see in the audience, successfully led WA South before taking over at WA Cymru and leading it through the merger. We at Addysg, Oedolion Cymru, climb on the shoulder of giants. We've had some fantastic people working for the organisation in the past, and we want to maintain and take that forward. And could I lastly thank the board and to the senior managers and to the staff for all their hard work and dedication over the last few years and helping to make this organisation a success. So a great deal of thanks to you. So Jock and Val, thank you very much indeed for listening to me.